In the first light of a new day, no one knew he had arrived. Things continued as they had been, while a new was softly bright. The heavens were to wonder, nor the meaning of His birth, and the weakness of the baby, they knew God had called to her. As His mother held Him closely, it was hard to understand that her baby now is speaking the word of God to men. He would tell them of His kingdom, but their hearts were not believed. They would hate Him, and in anger they would nail Him to a tree. But the sadness would be broken as the song of life arose. In the first fruit of creation, what a sin and death is done.
All right, everybody, here we go. 2, 3. Hear the angels
As they're singing, for the morning of His birth, how much greater will our song be when He comes again.
Oh, hear the angels. Wait just a minute. Wait just a minute. Wait, I got a word. We gotta get it right. Okay, 1, 2. Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? I don't know. Let me hear one more time. Are you sure you're ready? Okay, let's try it. Hear the angels. Okay, that was pretty good. That's not quite yet. Ready? Hear the angels.